Hey guys, welcome back to yet another new vlog. So आज मैं जा रहा हूँ at a waterfall, which is the Bonda Waterfall, which is very nearby to my place. So वहाँ पे मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ with my friend and my sister. So I'll take you along the way. Let's see वो कैसा होता है. अभी वहाँ पे पानी होगा नहीं होगा, whether it will be dry, because इस month अभी तो it's February right now. Today is the 21st और अभी तो पानी मिलने के chances बहुत ही कम है. But जो भी होगा I'll show it to you. বুঝব না
20 টকা এটা ল
ও 20 টকা এটা ডাঙৰ এটা লৈ লওঁ না ইমান সৰু সৰু লটকে
ডাঙৰ দুই তিনটা মান লৈ দুটা
Across this off-road terrains, we have parked the car almost half a kilometer away from where the actual spot is. You can check how green it is, how beautiful. We are walking towards the waterfall right now. Ene number apna?
More Rahul.
Oye, bhal lagil de Rahul.
More Sujit. This one Deepak.
ठीक है sir, thank you. यहाँ पे we met them right here, just near the Bonda Waterfall. They are very welcoming, very great
At
people.
a waterfall, your area by sorry, কি কয় এইটো পাউডাৰ কৰিব
A few moments later.
এক মিনিট বেকলি আমিও যাও তোমালোকে যোৱা বন্ডা waterfall
These are the obstacles in my life, and I've crossed them. Let's see how they do it. Okay, pass. So this is the beginning of the waterfall. You can see over here, there's water coming right up from the top. I don't know if you can see it right now. There are some small boys that are bathing right now. We'll show you around. Let's go. Finally, after a great hike, or I don't know what should I say, you've already seen the clips. After all crossing all those things, we have finally reached the waterfall. Here it is. We are just seated on a rock right now. This is the waterfall behind me. We are just enjoying some of our snacks, some chips and some Mirinda. And that's it. I would like to end the vlog at this beautiful place, hoping to soon go to a better place next time. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.